Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to give you an update which can change your life. Yes, guys, I'm going to tell you about the job opening. The requirement of the job opening is only 1 or 2 years of experience maximum on land, and you don't have to register anywhere. All you need to do is send a resume. I have personally confirmed with the company, not with the agency, with the company, is it this opening are legit, real, and they have sent me a mail that yes, this opening is real. Only thing you need to do is send us a resume. So at the end of this video, I will show you which company is recruiting for this job opening. Before that, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever I'm going to upload a video, you will get a notification. Guys, I don't want to waste more time. I'm going to tell you which openings are there and what is the email address you need to send the resume. Only 1 or 2 years experience if you have on land, you can apply for this position. So without wasting time, let's start this video. Guys, let's begin with the deck and the engine department. First engineer, second engineer officer, reefer technician, plumber, AB sailors, AB firemen, filter mechanic and welders. You can apply if you have a qualification and if you have that much experience for this department. Now let's talk about our second opening from the kitchen department. Yes, guys, we have first cook, baker, pastry, saucier, second cook, baker, pastry, saucier, kitchen steward and kitchen utility. They also have opening for buffet attendant. Now, what is the requirement for all this position? Candidate with a fluency in English, experience hotel or cruise ship, work in a same position. That's it. And the company which is recruiting for this position is MSC Cruises. Now, what is the email address? The email address is cruisejob@msccs.com. This is the email address. All the requirement is absolutely free, guys. And if you are working in some other department which opening is not there, then too, guys, I request you to send your resume now.